Hello, I'm Erica and I will be your grammar coach. In this chapter, we talk about the simple and progressive verb forms. The regular simple past verbs end in ed. The progressive verbs end in ing. Let's talk about the spelling rules for these verb forms. Here is the first rule. If a verb ends in e, drop the e and add ing or ed. Let's look at some examples. Hope, hoping, hoped. Increase, increasing, increased. Be careful. If a verb ends in ee, do not drop the final e. The verbs agreeing and agreed still have two e's. Second rule. For verbs that end in one vowel followed by one consonant, we double the consonant. For example, stop ends with one vowel, o, and one consonant, p. So we need to use two p's. Stop, stopping, stopped. Let's look at a couple more examples. Chat, chatting, chatted. Rob, robbing, robbed. If the verb ends with w or x, do not double the consonant. The verbs showed and showing have only one w. The verbs fixed and fixing have only one x. Rule number 3. If there are two vowels together before the final consonant, then we do not double the final consonant. For example, the verb rain has two vowels, a and I. So there is no change when we add the verb endings. Rain, raining, rained. Let's look at some more examples. Need, needing, needed. Boil, boiling, boiled. Rule number 4. If there are two consonants, then there is no change. The verb start ends in two consonants, r and t. So there is no change when we add the verb endings. Start, starting, started. Another example is fold. Fold, folding, folded. Now let's look at two-syllable words. The spelling rules are a little tricky. For two-syllable words, listen for the stressed syllable. The stressed syllable sounds longer than the unstressed syllable. Is the first or second syllable stressed in the verb happen? Listen again. Happen. It's the first syllable, right? Listen to the pronunciation if the second syllable has stress. Happen. That's a little strange, isn't it? How about the verb offer? Offer. Again, the first syllable is stressed. Offer. When the first syllable is stressed, do not change the verb. Just add ing or ed. Happen, happening, happened. Offer, offering, offered. Listen, listening, listened. How about the verb regret? Which syllable is stressed? Listen again. Regret. The second syllable is stressed. The second syllable is also stressed in the word prefer. Can you hear the word stress? Prefer. When the second syllable is stressed, add another consonant. Regret, regretting, regretted. Prefer, preferring, preferred. Do you know the rule for verbs that end in Y? If a vowel comes before the Y, don't change the spelling. Play, playing, played. Enjoy, enjoying, enjoyed. But if a consonant comes before the Y, change the Y to I and then add ED. Do not change the Y before ING. Study, studying, studied. Try, trying, tried. For verbs that end in IE, change the IE to Y and add ING. For the regular past tense form, do not change the spelling. Just add the letter D. Tie, tying, tied. Lie, lying, lied. I hope you enjoyed your first lesson. Keep practicing. See you again soon.